Minneapolis, Minnesota. This clip seriously left me speechless. Like, I don't even know what to say. Columbia, South Carolina. This one's just disgusting. This woman literally smeared her feces all over someone's property. Portland, Maine. Check out this wild dude. Hey buddy, you're on camera. Might want to rethink those life choices. If you think that was odd, just wait. What happens next is a real eye-opener for every homeowner. Jacksonville, Florida. This one might just leave you speechless. Grandpa, really? At your age, you're supposed to be chilling, sipping sweet tea on the porch, not being the porch pirate. Come on now. We expect better from the elders. Groton, Connecticut. Okay, this one's wild.
Oh my God, hi. Wait, is this your cat?
No, he always comes to me.
Okay.
Lost pet or just a clever excuse to steal someone else's cat?
It's him. Oh my God, it's him.
The homeowner's not buying it, and honestly, neither are we. What do you think?
Come on, I didn't get paid. Come on.
Fall River, Massachusetts. This one's awkward and kind of intense.
What's that? I didn't get paid.
I don't know what to tell you, brother. I paid.
I didn't get paid.
I paid, brother. You're going to have to call DoorDash, brother.
I didn't get paid.
All right, I'm going to call DoorDash for you. That's what DoorDash support's for. I paid, brother, so I don't know what to tell you.
What's a number that I can call you
I
on?
couldn't have got the order if I didn't pay.
All right, so what's the number that I can call on to make sure I got paid?
Call DoorDash.
Your number.
You get paid.
Can I call your number?
You can't call my number. I ordered the food, brother. What are you talking about?
I didn't get it.
Okay, well, I don't know what to tell you. That's DoorDash's problem.
You don't have any money on you?
What do you mean I don't have any money on you? I paid. All right, yeah, I got to go, brother. Call DoorDash. Dude, I don't know what to tell you. That's crazy. All right.
Amarillo, Texas. If you're one of my regulars, you already know the trick. The old DoorDash move. Drop the food, snap the pic for proof, and then swipe it right back like nothing happened. Yep, we've seen it before. Next up is a moment that shows why a doorbell camera is one of the smartest things you can own. Syracuse, New York.
Joel.
This neighborly disagreement? Yeah, it went way too far.
Answer your phone, Papa.
I had to handle that.
Get off my step. Papa. Papa.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps more than you know.
Get off my step. Get off my step. The cops are coming. Get off my step. The cops are coming. Get off my step.
About no police. Your son come to my house and do what the you want to do. What the do you do about it? Nothing.
I have nothing to do with y'all do at your house. Get away from my door.
I got it.
Papa, don't open that door.
I got it. I got it.
Papa, the cops is on their way.
Louisville, Kentucky. Yeah, I've got no words for this one. Just watch what happens. Because honestly, I don't even know how to explain it. You've got to see it for yourself. New London, Connecticut. This is exactly why you never just swing the door open without checking first. Always check the cam first, folks. Safety first. Clifton, New Jersey. This couple really out here acting bold, trying to break into someone's home like it's just another day.
Stop, you don't do that. You knock, you don't do that. Stop this neighbor, you could get in trouble.
This next clip definitely raises a few eyebrows. Buffalo, New York, this guy shows up late at night with some sketchy excuse, trying to trick the homeowner into opening the door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Hello?
Hi, man. I was wondering if I can pick up the leaves in the front of your house.
Pick up the leaves in front of my house this time of night?
Yeah, I'm just trying to help people as much as I could.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Oh, no. No, I'm good. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good night.
You too.
But here's the twist. He comes back later and tries to break into a car. Luckily, the real MVP, a barking dog, scared him off before he could get in. Sometimes, old school security beats tech any day. Scarborough, Maine. This is weird. Someone showed up randomly measuring parts of a home, but the homeowner isn't having any work done. No notice, no appointment. The town confirmed they didn't send anyone, and the insurance company says nope, not them either. So, who is this person, and why are they measuring someone else's house? Has anyone else experienced this? Peekskill, New York. Yep, like clockwork. As soon as night falls, here come the car door checkers, roaming around seeing which cars were left unlocked. Lock your car doors and don't leave anything valuable inside. Minneapolis, Minnesota. This one's straight up chilling. The guy rings the doorbell at 3:17 a.m., demanding to be let in like he owns the place.
Hello, you guys. This is 5 Eyewitness News, ABC. ABC. 5 Eyewitness News.
Louisville, Kentucky. This porch pirate thought she had it easy when she spotted a package just sitting out front. But oh no, she messed with the wrong house today. Right as she grabbed it, the homeowner came flying out the door and snatched that package right back out of her hands.
You get that.
Instant regret on her face. You don't see a takedown like that every day.
I don't get it.
Alameda, California. Yeah, lady, you're busted. Hope that little check was worth going viral for all the wrong reasons. Stay with me, because this next visitor might be the most questionable one yet. Wausau, Wisconsin. This dude shows up wild and out. Sir? You've got the wrong house and the wrong energy.
Come in.
Yeah, this is not normal behavior. Definitely creepy. Definitely not okay. Taylor, Michigan. The homeowner talked to him through the doorbell cam, and the convo got real weird real fast.
I need to telegraph and more.
I'm going to suggest you get off our porch. Get off our porch.
Oh, I just wondering directions. Okay, bye. I just wanted directions.
Get off the porch. We are armed.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, yes.
He has a gun in his pocket.
That's cool that you are. I am too, but all your stuff was on outside of your car.
Our car's in the garage.
I'm gonna grab my gun.
The white one?
Louisville, Kentucky. No way, dude, that beat up old snow shovel? Yeah, it's not yours. And let's be honest, even porch pirates usually go for new stuff. What are you doing? Detroit, Michigan. It's 4:49 a.m. and this lady shows up knocking on the door. Why is she here at this hour? Let's find out.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
No, I'm sorry. It's early as hell. My dog in y'all backyard, so I'm just about to go. Look.
Midway through now, and the footage only gets more unusual. Livonia, Michigan. It really makes you think, why are even older folks getting involved in stuff like this? Age doesn't always mean wisdom, I guess. Jacksonville, Florida. When a porch pirate finds nothing to steal outside, they get creative. This guy straight up snatched a light bulb off the porch. But wait, he gets spooked by the homeowner and casually moves on to the next house.
Hello?
And guess what? He finds an unlocked car. Folks, seriously, don't make it easy for them. Lock your doors. Austin, Texas. Yeah, dude, that little doormat ain't hiding your bad decisions. You thought no one would notice? Well, the camera did. Buffalo, New York. After all the chaos and shady stuff we've seen, here's a clip to lift your spirits.
This flew all the way down the street. I think I gotta return it. It's addressed to your house.
Props to you, buddy. Your parents should be so proud. We definitely need more kids like this in the world. Clifton, New Jersey. Come on, man. Do better. Jacksonville, Florida. This guy's messing with the lockbox on a rental property, clearly trying to break in. Anyone recognize him? Drop a comment or report to local authorities. Someone out there knows who this is. Columbus, Ohio. Seriously, who is she? Come on, lady. It's not your house. What do you think she's up to? Charlotte, North Carolina. Here we go again. This DoorDash driver shows up to deliver food to the neighbor's house, but then spots a package just sitting there. Come on, man. Do your job, not this. Louisville, Kentucky. Around 5 a.m., this guy shows up dressed like an Amazon driver, but instead of just dropping off a package, he starts trying to open the front door. Really, dude? Either you're the worst Amazon employee ever, or you're just straight up pretending. What do you think? Louisville, Kentucky. This one's Kind of eerie. This guy shows up, pacing around and talking to someone, but there's nobody in sight. Who is he talking to?
Oh. Hold my. You can't hold my back. Hold my head. Here, get in front of me, man. This arm. Get in front of me. Not in back of me. As in the genius. Okay, get in back of me. How about that? Could you get in back of me? Bring your face right here in my face. How about that? Is that easier for you? Oh, man, we in trouble. Future's doomed. Lassie's on. I got to pull over. Lassie's coming on. Get out of here. Ow. Oh. This is the rail right here. Your house is nice. It looks like. What's up, Pooch? How you doing, ma'am? I'm Bill. I'm your husband's partner. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm sorry. Couldn't help you anyway. We took a real hey, man. Had to be damn near 5 feet. I'm lucky we still here. You got a cookie in there or some protein? What is that? A bird seed? I'll take it. So plant it though. Plant that. We're gonna need that in the future. See what's happening. Plant that. Oh, my rib might be cracked.